Lagi ko na lang naririnig kailangan ko ng trabaho, bakit wala pa akong trabaho? Bakit hindi ka pa nag-a-apply sa Philta? Nag-hire kami ng mga developers, graphic designers, digital marketers, admin at iba pa. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-apply ka na!
Congratulations, you've been invited to a virtual interview. Now, one thing to keep in mind, maintain eye contact. This ensures a connection to your interviewer. Now go ace that interview.
Baby, work it.
So a recruiter called you for an online interview. How do you prepare? First, download the needed software. Make sure that you're familiar with it and that you can use it on the day of your interview. Number 2, dress professionally. Smart casual is always a good idea. So wear a nice polo, nice blouse, and nice pants or skirt, and make sure that you'll do your best during your online interview. Number 3, clear your workspace. The clutter in the background doesn't have to be seen by your recruiter. Number 4, make sure that you're in a quiet room. You don't have to be disturbed by people, your pets, or any background noise. You have to focus during the interview. Number 5, make sure that you have a pen and paper nearby in case you need to write something down. 6, make sure you have a copy of your resume nearby. Last but not the least, smile and focus. You got it!
Girl, you never me feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. It's the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight. No lie, I'ma make you pump like that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump like that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Dance under the sun, feel the breeze of the ocean. Dance under the sun, feel the body in motion. Dance under the sun, feel the breeze of the ocean. Dance under the sun, feel the body in motion.
Move your body, shake the bum. We can do this all night long.
Hello everyone, I am Iris, a technical recruiter in Philta. Philta specializes in e-commerce and digital marketing agencies in Australia, US, and UK. Right now, we are on the hunt for back-end developer who has experience in Python and Django, and full-stack developer who has experience with Python, Django, and React.js. So, are you interested? Just send your resume here, or earn as much as 10,000 pesos if you refer a friend.
In your eyes, now you feel the same. $1,000,000 bag, tripping on it like propane. Beautiful. Look it, look it, look it, look it, look it, look it. Unlock it, look it, look it, look it, look it. Got the key, can you unlock it, look it, look it, look it.
Lagi ko na lang naririnig kailangan ko ng trabaho, bakit wala pa akong trabaho? Bakit hindi ka pa nag-a-apply sa Philta? Nag-hire kami ng mga developers, graphic designers, digital marketers, admin at iba pa. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-apply ka na!
Congratulations, you've been invited to a virtual interview. Now, one thing to keep in mind, maintain eye contact. This ensures a connection to your interviewer. Now go ace that interview.
Baby, work it.
for an online interview. How to prepare? First, download the needed software. Make sure that you're familiar with it and that you can use it on the day of your interview. Number 2, dress professionally. Smart casual is always a good idea. So wear a nice polo, nice blouse, a nice pants or skirt, and make sure that you look your best during your online interview. Number 3, clear your workspace. The clutter in the background doesn't have to be seen by your recruiter. Number 4, make sure that you're in a quiet room. You don't have to be disturbed by people, your pets, or any background noise. You have to focus during the interview. Number 5, make sure that you have a pen and paper nearby in case you need to write something down. 6, make sure you have a copy of your resume nearby. Last but not the least, smile and focus. You got it!
Girl, remember me, feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. It's the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight. No lie.
I'ma make you pump like that. Make you pump that. Make you pump like that. Make you pump that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Dance under the sun, feel the breeze of the ocean. Dance under the sun, feel the body in motion. Dance under the sun, feel the breeze of the ocean. Dance under the sun, feel the body in motion.
Move your body, shake the bum. We can do this all night long.
Hello everyone, I am Iris, a technical recruiter in Philta. Philta specializes in e-commerce and digital marketing agencies in Australia, US, and UK. Right now, we are on the hunt for back-end developer who has experience in Python and Django, and full-stack developer who has experience with Python, Django, and React.js. So, are you interested? Just send your resume here. Or, earn as much as 10,000 pesos if you refer a friend.
In your eyes, now you feel the same $1,000,000 bag, tripping on it like propane. Beautiful. Look it, look it, look it, look it, look it, look it. Unlock it, look it, look it, look it, look it. Got the key, can you unlock it, lock it, lock it, lock it.
Happy Friday, everyone! Welcome back. This is episode 14 of our Filipino Front-End Developers Live series. My name is Francis, technical recruiter of Filta, and I will be your host for tonight. So don't forget to tag your friends, your classmates, your colleagues, everyone you know, even your neighbors, your family members. Share this live and let's help each other learn for free. We'll start at exactly 6 p.m. All right, so who do we have here? So good evening, Bona, Jericho, hello, Diane. Thank you for tagging Raymar. Okay, we also have here Anna, Chad, Phil, hello. We have here Kate. Hello, happy Friday. Hello to Deb. Thank you for tagging your friends. Tag some more friends. Okay, Erica, good evening. Thank you for always tuning in. Hello, Tala. Okay, so we currently have around 37 viewers and it looks like we have a lot of participants coming in. Again, feel free to tag your friends and share this live. Okay. Any aspiring front-end developers or even professional ones. So you're just in time for our FFED live series because we have a very interesting topic tonight. Learn for free and upskill here at Filta. So this webinar comes with an e-certificate if you answer the form correctly. The link will be in the comments at the end of the webinar, so stay tuned. Okay, before we start, let me tell you more about Filta. So Filta specializes in e-commerce, digital marketing agencies looking for great talent here in the Philippines. We're always on the hunt for great Filipinos to showcase what we have to offer. And we work with real cool brands from the US, UK, New Zealand, and Australia. So what are you guys waiting for? We have more than 20 full-time jobs and one of them might be for you. Check out filtaglobal.com/careers to learn more. And currently, we're hiring for the following dev roles. Okay, we're hiring front-end developers, senior app.js developers, Shopify developers, and technical support representatives. Okay, so we're not only hiring devs, but also graphic designers, digital marketers, admin, and back office roles. You may refer people you know and earn 10,000 pesos. Refer as many as you like. Just send them to careers@filtaglobal.com. And if you want to be a part of our community, check out our Facebook group, Filipino Front-End Developers. Talk to us about anything related to front-end. You're very welcome to our community. We also have a Filta Careers page on LinkedIn. Follow us to receive daily job updates, recruitment or career advice, tips, events, resources, and even motivational quotes to help you grow. Follow us at linkedin.com/showcase/filta-careers. I'm telling you guys, we are everywhere. We also have a YouTube channel, Instagram, and even TikTok. Follow at filta.outsourcing to stay up to date with our events and open roles. All right, so we do have here, we have Vindes, hello, good evening. We have May Ann, Larabelle, Justine, Clarice. Thank you for tagging your friends. Okay, we also have Agri Marie. Good evening. Hello. Jem Sulit Tolentino. Yes. So we always have free webinars every week or every other week. This is a regular event. So feel free to tag your friends and share this live. Okay, don't forget to check out our social media accounts. We have YouTube, we have Instagram, we have TikTok. Follow us at filta.outsourcing. Okay, so Erica is watching from Mandaluyong. Hello. Hello to JM Des Alas. Larabelle, hello. Good evening. Feel free to tag your friends and share this live. Joy Bello, hello, good evening. Good evening, Iris, hello. Hello, Ray Ann. Jerome from Isabella watching, hello. Okay, so we have a lot of open jobs at the moment. Feel free to check out careers, our careers page at filtaglobal.com/careers. And remember, you may refer your friends. Just send them to careers@filtaglobal.com. And if your referral gets hired, you'll get 10,000 pesos. Okay, so good evening, Ray Ann. Thank you for tagging your friends. Ferdinand, hello, good evening from Urdaneta City University. Nicole, good evening. Thank you, Darwin. Good evening. Okay. Right. Also check out our Facebook group, Filipino front-end developers. So our social media specialist, Acha, is always posting very insightful links and also memes. So if you're into that, so join our community. And follow us on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/showcase/filter-careers. Okay, so good evening, Luan. Good evening, Zedric. Okay, thank you, Deb, for tagging your friends. Hello, Chanel. Okay, Krishalin is watching from Pangasinan. Hello. Alright, so guys, are you excited? We have a very interesting topic for tonight. And we have a very special guest. So stay tuned if you want to learn more. Yes, that's so true, Chanel. It's very hot, so stay hydrated. Drink your water. Okay, hello, Mark Janisha. Good evening. Good evening to Angelo. Yes, feel free to refer your friends, even you're not a Filta employee. Just send your refers to careers@filtaglobal.com. Okay, John Michael, good evening. Thank you for tagging your friend. Kira, good evening. Happy to have you here. So Jenna, watching from Legazpi. Hello, good evening. Phil, watching from Quezon City. Hello. Okay, so guys, today we're gonna talk about low-code front-end development. If you have any questions for our speaker, feel free to send them to our Slido link and we'll check them out later. I'm very excited to present our speaker for tonight. Our speaker for tonight is a machine learning engineer and a data solutions practitioner promoting data-driven and evidence-based solutions to various industries and companies. He has more than 8 years of experience with data science, both in academic research and industry applications. He is an advocate for using technology to promote social development and nationalism, and also teaches data science and its applications, focusing on human-centered design and ethics. So let's all virtually welcome Albert Bashiumol.
Hey guys, happy Friday, Francis.
Happy Friday, Bash. Thank you for joining us.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing good. Excited to welcome the weekend to do some hobbies and passion projects.
Yes. So I'm guessing you have a lot of plans already for this weekend.
Yes, definitely.
All right. So are you excited to tell our viewers more about low-code front-end development?
Of course, of course. Can I share my slides already?
All right. So guys, without further ado, here's Bashiumol.
Game. Dami nating viewers. Happy Friday, guys. I hope you are safe. I know we are in a pandemic right now. Ang hirap pagsabay ng work, ang hirap pagsabay ng studies. Pero I want to congratulate you guys because we're still doing this. We're learning even when we are in a crisis. And I hope every one of us is safe. Sana matapos na yung pandemic to, dumadami ng availability ng vaccines and sana bumalik na yung or ma-establish na natin yung new normal. I hope it's okay for me to do code switching, meaning magtataglish na lang ako since mabilis lang naman yung oras natin together para ma-maximize din natin yung learning natin, no? Yung topic na i-discuss ko ngayong gabi sa inyo ay low-code front-end development. Ano nga big sabihin ng low-code? Anong pinagkumpara niya compared sa high-code at kung ano pa mang type ng programming and bakit ito mahalaga. Bago ko magsimula, quick introduction lang muna sa akin. Kagaya ng nasabi ni Frances kanina, I'm a data scientist currently based in the Philippines, but my focus in terms of what I do is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, yung training ko talaga bago ako pumunta sa workforce ay physics. Ang maganda doon yung kurso ko kasi we talk a lot about data, how to process it, how to make sense of the world with numbers. So I think it helped me transition to be a data scientist because I came from a science background. When I was in college and even until now, I'm an advocate of activism and how I use my skills as a technologist to help our country. So kung mapansin natin sa Pilipinas, ang dami nating scientists, di ba, na napoproduce, pero most of them ay hindi nagtatrabaho sa Pilipinas. Lahat sa kanila pumupunta abroad. Even the technologists that we have right now in the Philippines, right, most of us are working in multinational companies. So one of my goals is to inspire you guys, to inspire more programmers to really develop products for the Philippines. Kasi ang dami nating problem na pwedeng masolve using the technology that we have to help collectively yung Pilipinas, masolusyonan ang kahirapan, ang kagutuman, and a lot of our social ills. Yung lagi nga nating sinasabi, social problems are data problems. So, dadaanin ko ng konti yung mga ginagawa ko, no? Kung may question kayo along the way dun sa presentation na gagawin ko sa mini workshop natin na gagawin, feel free to connect with me through LinkedIn. I post most of my projects there. All of my projects are open source, so you can view the code in my GitHub account as well. And if you have some projects in mind, if you want to bring me in your project, basta related to social good or anything that interests you about data science, machine learning, and even artificial intelligence, please feel free to talk to me on LinkedIn and GitHub. I also work as a teacher right now. I teach data science, machine learning, and even artificial intelligence in a bootcamp company called SQL Labs. We are based in Makati currently, but we are originally conceptualized in Singapore. So, yung goal namin talaga is tulungan yung mga kababayan natin ngayon to use data skills for social mobility. Kasi nakikita natin na ang future of work ay nakatali talaga sa information, sa data, at saka sa technology. Yan. So here are some of the projects that I did na alam ko, familiar na kayo kasi ang dami natin nakikita sa Facebook, sa Medium, sa internet, no, na mga current innovations natin sa artificial intelligence. So yung mga deepfakes, no, paano ba gumagana yung mga algorithms na yun, accessible na yung mga tools sa atin to do these kinds of things. Pero ako as a programmer, as a data scientist, as an engineer, most of the projects that I do are not only for fun. I try to apply this to socially relevant projects. So it's really fun to do artificial intelligence in the Philippines kasi bago pa lang. So yung mga projects na ginagawa natin sa Pilipinas na may kinalaman sa artificial intelligence, halos dalawa pa lang eh. It's either natural language processing o paano natin tinuturuan yung mga computers para makaintindi ng language natin or paano natin tuturuan yung computer para makakita, no, to process the things that we see visually. Okay? So kung nanonood kayo ng Netflix na startup, yun, similar sa Netflix yung ginagawa ko. Kagaya nito, parang gumawa ko ng algorithm for object detection. So yung algorithm ko nakaka-identify kung person ba to, bote ba to, later on, banana ba to, or kung ano mang object yung ipapakita niya sa kanya. So, kagaya nung sinabi ko, hindi lang siya for fun, I also make algorithms that helps the conditions that we are in. The crisis, for example, during the pandemic, I created a face mask detection algorithm that we now use in the malls, di ba? Yung mga cameras bago tayo pumasok ng malls, nade-detect na kung nakasuot tayo ng Facebook to follow minimum health standards and protocols. Yan. So, pero, na-inspire talaga ako na matuto ng programming kasi nung bata ako, naniniwala ako sa magic. Fan na fan ako ng Harry Potter. So parang na-inspire ako, kaya pala ng technology yung invisibility cloak. Kaya rin ako nag-physics kasi kala ko yung Rasengan ni Naruto pwede maging plasma, di ba? Yung plasma parang another state lang naman siya ng matter. So, isa dun sa mga projects na ginagawa ko na may kinalaman sa front-end development ay yung tinatawag na complex network. So sumali ako ng hackathon last February and I won the first place for it for the best data science project. What I did, I used data science to understand spending of the government. So ginamit ko yung open data natin sa Pilipinas. Tapos gumawa ko ng data product. Mamaya papakita ko yung website na ginawa ko. And yung inspiration ko dito sa talk na ito, paano ko ginawa yung website na yun ng mabilisan. So paano ako nakapag-produce ng website in less than 30 minutes? Kasi parang deadline na nung application, deadline na nung pasahan dun sa hackathon. Tapos, kakatapos ko lang mag-code, 30 minutes na lang pasahan na. Ginawa ko ng 30 minutes lang yung website or yung front-end portion ng application na ginawa ko. So, ano ba ibig sabihin sa atin ng low-code na tinatawag? So, kung familiar na tayo sa programming, and I think most of you guys are already familiar dun sa mga listeners natin, pero para dun sa mga hindi pa, maraming types ng programming languages, di ba? May tinatawag tayong low-level programming language, yung mga nakaka-nosebleed na intindihan, mga C, C++, assembly, na parang duduguin ka muna bago mo maintindihan yung language. Pero naman tayo tinatawag na high-level programming language, parang Python. Sobrang lapit sa language natin, kagaya ng English. Kapag si Python, sinabi mong print hello world, sabihin mo lang talaga print hello world. So that's high-level programming language. Yung C naman, kunyari, di ba, may define ka pa ng standard input, standard output, i-compile mo pa. So parang masyado siyang low-level, mga machines lang yung nakakaintindi sa kanya. Sa usapin naman ng front-end development, ibig sabihin ng front-end development, ito yung mga nakikita natin sa internet, di ba? Ito yung language ng mga websites. No? Kapag pinag-uusapan natin yung language ng mga websites, marami tayong tools na pwedeng gamitin para makapag-render ng mga website or ng mga web applications na ginagamit natin. Yung mga narinig niyo na siguro kapag gumagamit ng programming talaga yung mga front-end developers natin, PHP, JavaScript, React, Vue, Node. No? Yun yung mga sikat na ginagamit natin sa industry. Yung iba naman, kapag bago pa lang ang ginagamit, kagaya ko, no, nagsisimula pa lang kasi sabi ko, hindi ako galing sa IT na background, galing ako sa physics. So, nung naglalaro-laro pala ako ng technology, yung ginagamit ko ay Wix or WordPress. So, yung mga ganitong systems, clicky, draggy-droppy. So, wala kang gagawin ako, drag and drop lang talaga siya, click. So, masaya siyang gamitin kasi madali, tapos naiintindihan natin yung concept kung paano gumagana ang system, pero masyadong limiting yung mga customization na pwede mong gawin sa kanya. Tapos medyo may bayad yan, di ba? So, it's not open source, limited yung customization nga na pwedeng gawin. Yung i-discuss ko nga yung middle ground, no? Parang yung mga middle ground tools na pwede natin gamitin na hindi pa rin tayo ganun nosebleed sa pagko-code kasi very close to human language pa rin yung programming na gagamitin natin. Pero at the same time, hindi naman tayo masyadong mahihirapan or sabi ko kanina, hindi tayo masyadong mano-nosebleed dun sa mga kinocode natin. Tapos hindi naman siya masyadong limiting na hindi natin ma-customize masyado yung code na ginagawa natin. So, wala na masyadong bola-bola. Ito yung mga tools na dadaanan ko ngayon para mailista nyo rin, tapos maisipan nyo, ano kaya mga tools na pwede nyo gamitin kapag gagawa kayo ng web app ninyo ng mabilisan. Okay? Kaya siya low code, mabilisan natin siyang ginagawa, hindi masyadong mabigat yung programming na kailangan natin for us to understand these kinds of systems. I'm sorry, I'm not sure if all of us can understand Filipino pala. I did not ask, but I hope it's fine. Because I think the target audience for this talk naman is Philippines. No? I'm not sure if we do have some foreign-speaking people, but yeah, I resume na lang with mix and Taglish na lang, no? So we will discuss a little bit about Streamlit, yun yung main na i-discuss ko. I-discuss ko din yung Plotly or yung Plotly Dash, tapos yung Shiny, tapos yung GitHub Pages na tinatawag. So yung Streamlit tsaka Plotly, yung language na gagamitin ko sa kanya ay Python. So Python yung language kasi open source, libre natin magagamit. Yun din yung gusto ko sa sa evolution ng technology natin ngayon. Most of the software that is available on the market right now are open source. Ibig sabihin, libre natin magagamit. Nalala ko nung nag-aaral ako ng college, most of the systems na pinapagamit sa amin, like MATLAB, proprietary, may bayad. So ang hirap mag-code kasi kailangan mo magbayad. So yung kagandahan ngayon, no, through tech activism din, parang na-sake natin na kapag libre yung technology, libre yung knowledge, mas na-allow yung mga tao na mag-develop ng mas mataas na innovative products. Okay? Yung Shiny naman, kung familiar kayo sa R programming language, so yun yung gagamitin natin sa Shiny, R Shiny. Tapos yung GitHub pages naman, mas madali ito. Markdown lang yung kailangan ninyo or very similar to HTML. So I think yung mga millennials na kagaya ko, di ba may subject pa tayo nung high school or nung elementary even, na tinuturuan tayo ng mga teachers natin ng HTML. Hindi ako familiar sa curriculum ng mga Gen Z ngayon kung marunong pa ba sila ng JavaScript ng Visual Basic o yung mga archaic o luma na language na ginagamit namin before. Pero as a scientist myself, naniniwala ako na hindi hiwalay yung pag-aaral natin ng tools dun sa mga problems na dapat nating sinosolve. So, hindi pwede na parang biglaan na lang gagawa ka na lang ng web app, gagawa ka na lang magde-develop ka na lang ng front end na walang reason. So, lagi kapag nagtuturo ako, binabanggit ko itong dalawang concept na ito na I think makatulong sa atin na mag-understand kung ano yung purpose ng mga kinocode natin na hindi agad tayo sasabak na magko-code na lang tayo ng ura-urada. So, yung unang concept na ituturo ko sa inyo, tinatawag na systems thinking. Ang ibig sabihin ng systems thinking, kapag gumagawa ka ng website, hindi mo na maisipin na website lang, di ba? Ang isipin natin ng website, para siyang system na tumatanggap ng input, tapos tumatanggap din siya ng output. So, dapat naintindihan natin ano yung connection ng website or web application na ginagawa natin sa input at output. Sino yung mga users na gagamit? Ano yung mga i-input nila? Ano yung mga data na gusto nilang makita, resources na gusto nilang ma-access dun sa front end na ginagawa mo. So, dapat alam natin na paano connected yung mga ganung bagay. So, it's called systems thinking. Yung pangalawang concept naman ay yung design thinking. Napakahalaga nito kapag nagtatrabaho kayo sa industry or even kapag gumagawa kayo ng thesis o kung ano ang project. Ibig sabihin ng design thinking, parang alam mo yung tamang proseso ng pagsagot sa isang problem. I think ito rin yung kulang sa atin ngayon kapag nagde-develop tayo ng technology. For example, di ba si Facebook, si Mark Zuckerberg, nung ginawa niyang Facebook, parang ginawa lang niya para makapag-interact yung mga tao, pero hindi niya naisip, pwede palang gamitin yung Facebook or social media sa masama, kagaya ng pagkalap ng fake news, disinformation, and so on. So yung lagi kong tinuturo din sa mga students ko, we should build technology as extension of our humanity. So, yung concept na sinasabi dito lagi, human-centered design, na hindi lang dapat tayo gumagawa ng data products dahil abstract lang siya, dahil kailangan lang ng business. Kailangan natin ma-realize na yung gumagamit ng data, ng technology, ay mga human beings na kailangan natin mag-empathize, kailangan natin maunawaan yung mga problems nila with good moral, as a human, na intindihan natin yung isa't isa. Okay? So, putting these things together, yung design thinking, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, we should be very empathetic, naintindihan natin yung concrete conditions ng mga tao, kung bakit natin din-develop yung products natin. Experimental, di ba? Science, masaya na mag-try. Ang science naman, most of the things that we do are based on evidence, but a lot of innovations came from serendipity or bigla na lang nating na-discover kasi ang dami nating experiments and trials na ginagawa. Ganun din yung paggawa ng website, diba? Para malaman mo na best na talaga yung dinedevelop mo na platform kapag gumawa ka ng maraming iteration, gumawa ka ng maraming versions, and so on. And mahalaga din, syempre, usapin ng testing at feedback loop designs. Systems thinking naman, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, dapat naintindihan natin yung complexity ng mga systems na dinevelop natin, sino ang users natin, no, paano na-relate din sa mga output ng website natin. And yung pinakahuli na dinagdag ko na lang dito, since we are living in a world of numbers, no, talagang nakatali na yung buhay natin sa computer, sa internet. Mahalaga na natututunan din natin yung basic logic lang, basic mathematics, kung paano gumagana yung mga bagay-bagay sa mundo. So we need mathematics to describe those things, no, para mas manawaan natin with evidence and data-driven assumptions. Okay? Yung takeaway ko doon sa tatlong binanggit natin kanina na concept, na mahalaga yung concept ng prototyping. Ibig sabihin ng prototyping, hindi ka naman kapag nagsimula ka ng project, yung natapos mo na project, full-blown na agad, final product na agad. Di ba hindi ganyan? So, yung natutunan ko rin sa industry na kailangan talaga na marunong kang gumawa ng mabilis. Yung nagawa mong product, itetest mo agad. Fail ba to? Or magsasucceed ba to? Or ano bang kailangan kong gawin? So, you need to iterate, you need to make prototypes as fast as you can para fail as you can. Mabilis mo matest yung mga ideas mo. And the best way to do prototyping in terms of front-end development is using low code. Kasi, kung gagawa ka ng mga products na mabilisan lang, hindi mo naman kailangan high pa na programming language na mano-nosebleed tayo pare-parehas. Parang magte-take pa ng 3 months bago ka lang makapag-prototype at matest mo lang yung website ideas mo, di ba? So, doon pumapasok yung, di naman pwede na no code masyado kasi masyadong limiting yung function, lagi may watermark yung mga nila, di ba, mga templates na ginagamit. So, we find the middle ground which is low code front-end development. And kapag sinabi natin na front-end development, ang isa sa napakahalagang concept dito ay yung concept ng wireframing. Taas ng kamay, sino yung familiar sa wireframing? So, kung mostly tech yung audience natin, no, naintindihan nila na bago ka gumawa syempre ng website, design thinking. Kailangan alam mo muna kung ano yung mga components na ilalagay mo sa website mo. Dapat nakaplano muna. So, hindi tayo biglang tatalo na lang, magkukode ako ng website. So, kailangan malinaw, ito yung purpose ng website mo, ano mga components, anong input na kailangan, anong output na kailangan. Yung nire-recommend ko dito na product ay yung tinatawag na Figma. So, sa Figma, pwede kayong gumagawa ng prototype for mobile application, for apps, for websites, for web applications, and so on. Freely nyo siya ma-access, and there's a lot of things that you can do to customize your wireframes and develop effective wireframes using Figma. So, ayun yung tungkol sa Figma. Sige, since ang tagal ko rin nagsasalita, magsimula na tayong mag-discuss ng unang ide-develop natin na website na mabilisan. Yung gagamitin natin ay Streamlit. Sige, give me a few seconds. I'll share another screen. Share lang ako ng bagong screen para makita ko yung code. So, yung mga merong Python, feel free na sumabay kayo dun sa demonstration natin. Magko-code lang ako ng mabilisan. Okay. Ayan. So, sana nakikita niyo yung screen ko. Lalakihan ko lang ng konti yung habang magta-type ako ng konti. Okay? So, nagbukas lang ako dito ng text editor. Okay? Para dito tayo magta-type ng maikling code. At lalakihan ko ng konti para mas maging visible sa atin. Pero sana nakikita nyo ng malinaw. Ito yung binabanggit kong project kanina. Kung nakikita nyo, lalakihan ko ng konti. Na-inanalyze ko yung procurement network ng Pilipinas. So, gumamit ako ng Streamlit para magawa ko yon. So, gumamit ako ng network analysis. Konting mathematics lang naman ito. Kung paano ko parang kina-quantify kung saan napupunta yung pera ng gobyerno. Kunyari sa Mindanao, tiningnan ko yung Department of Public Works and Highways. So, ito yung DPWH sa Mindanao, sa Region 10. Tapos ito maliliit na bilog, siya yung mga kumpanya na binibilan nila ng services, kunyari semento. So, nakikita ko, bakit may mga company na sobrang laking pera yung nakukuha sa ano? So, ayun pa, you can use this to assert transparency from the government because using open data, using data science, no, parang and using front-end development even, napapakita natin na maraming use cases talaga yung technology natin. Sige, start na tayong mag-code. Yung gagamitin ko ngayon, sige, pull off ko lang ang aking terminal. So, may dalawa kong system dito na binuksan. Yung terminal ko or command line interface kung naka-Windows, tapos text editor. Okay? Yung gagamitin natin ay yung tinatawag nating Streamlit. So, i-research ko lang yung Streamlit, Streamlit. Hintayin natin mag-load. Ano ba yung ginagawa ng Streamlit? So, mainly Python yung ginagamit na language ng Streamlit. It's, sabi dito sa website nila, it's the fastest way to build and share data apps and data products. No? Sobrang ganda nung nila, aesthetic, sobrang minimalist nung ginagamit nila. So, tingnan natin, subukan kong gumawa ng mabilisan lang na website na template nila. Kapag nasa terminal ako, tapos tinype ko Streamlit, Streamlit, hello. So, ito yung default nila. Pag tinype ko sa terminal ko, click ko yung enter. Ayan, magbukas siya automatically ng bagong website na nasa sa local address. Ayun agad, makakakita kayo ng demo, nag-load agad. Kunyari, gusto ko makakita ng animation. Paano ko gumawa ng animation? Na hindi mo na kailangan mag-define ng JavaScript, ng CSS, ng Bootstrap, no? May template ka na agad kung gusto mo lang mag-prototype ng ideas, no? So, maraming demo rin dito na pwedeng tingnan. And dun sa Streamlit websites din mismo, pwede kayo makakita ng mga inspiration. Again, this is an open source community, so you can access different projects na ginawa ng ibang tao. You can use their code para ma-apply din sa mga sarili nating use cases. So, ito yung mga applications kung saan ginagamit ng Streamlit for natural language processing, geography, science, finance, and business sa mga dashboard ng mga companies. Ginagamit din nila ito. Sige. So, babalik ako dun sa terminal ko, tapos titingnan lang natin ano yung mga features na pwede natin gamitin kay Streamlit. Okay, so daanan natin pa isa-isa ito. Ang gagawin ko, hindi tayo mag-workshop ngayon kasi medyo mahaba-habang discussion kapag nag-workshop tayo. Magka-copy and paste lang ako ng code sa aking text editor, tapos mula sa text editor, iraran ko sa terminal, tapos i-view natin yung result sa ating browser. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. Yung una natin gagawin, paano maglagay ng title. For example, gagawa ko ng bago. So, i-close ko muna itong nakalagay dito. Gawa ko ng bago. Tapos, yung first step na ginagamit natin kapag nagko-code tayo, di ba, nag-i-import tayo ng mga dependencies. So, kunyari sa Python, sabi ko, parang English talaga yan. So, pag sinabi natin import Streamlit as ST. So, parang i-import niya yung library na Streamlit and so on. So, save ko lang tong file na to. File, save as. Save natin. Tapos, save ko sa desktop ko. Papangalanan ko lang siyang demo.py. Okay? Para tawagin natin mamaya ang demo.py na yan. Para makapaggawa tayo, for example, ng magdagdag tayo ng title. So, since yung ginagamit natin yung Streamlit, tapos nilagyan natin siya ng alias or parang nickname para, alam nyo ba nga magagaling na programmers, tamad, di ba? So, sa halip na Streamlit yung itatype ko lagi, ST na lang. So, ngayon kapag tinawag ko yung ST, tapos .title, so ipiprint lang niya itong title na nilagay ko dito, which is my first app. Kasi gagawin ko, isi-save ko lang itong tinype ko na code. Again, yung ginagawa ng code, nag-i-import lang tayo ng mga libraries na gagamitin natin, tapos gagamitin natin ST.title para maglabas ng title. So, gagawin ko, pupuntahan ko ngayon yung file na yon, nasa desktop ko siya, tapos yung pangalan ng file ay demo.py. So, ito type ko lang, para ma-run ito, ang kailangan lang nating i-type ay Streamlit, tapos run, tapos yung pangalan ng file na ginawa natin, which is demo.py. So, kapag ni-run ko ito, ay, nag-run na siya, mabubukas siya ng bagong browser. Nako, sa ibang browser siya bumukas. Ito siya. So, makita natin na, oh, sakto. Yung nilagay niya na title, ni-render niya. Tapos, isang line of code lang yung ginamit natin para ma-render yung title na yon. So, ganun maglagay ng data. Paano naman, kunyari, kapag gusto kong gumawa ng table, maglagay ng table, for example. So, or kung ano mang elements yung gusto nating gawin. Yung command or argument na pwede nating gamitin ay yung st.write. So, nag-paste lang ako dito ng code, naglalagay ako dito ng text, tapos gumawa lang ako dito ng table. Nang laman niya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, tapos ang gagawin ko, isi-save ko lang to. Pag sinave ko to, automatic madedetect ni Streamlit, uy, may nabago dun sa code mo. Tapos i-click mo lang rerun. So, kapag rerun, ayun, sakto, na-generate na niya yung table na gusto kong ma-generate niya. Diba? Ganun ka-simple. Pero marami ring advanced capabilities ito si Streamlit. Hindi lang siya very customizable pa rin siya, maski low-code siya na programming. So, kunyari ito, i-comment out ko. Papalitan ko lang, kung marunong kayo ng Python, dun sa mga marunong ng Python dyan, yung mga table, ang tawag natin sa table ay data frame. So, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng st.write pa or kung ano mang command. Diretso na yung Python mo. Pwede mong ilagay dyan. Kunyari, yung data frame natin kanina, dinefine ko as df, variable ko na df. pwede ko siyang isave agad-agad. Tapos, ganun lang din. Mag-generate niya yung same thing na generate ko. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Ano pa, yung pwede nating ma-explore? Di ba kapag gumagawa tayo ng web apps, gustong-gusto natin, or mga websites, gusto-gusto natin may visualizations. So, kunyari, gusto kong tingnan yung stock market. O mamaya, magpaplot tayo ng stock market. Pwede kayong gumawa at maglagay ng chart dun sa application ninyo. So, kunyari, may chart data tayo, tapos gawa natin siya ng line chart. So, simple lang yung command. Puro one-liner lang yung ginagamit natin command para ma-render yung mga objects na gusto nating ma-render. So, for example, ayun, sinave ko yung changes ko, tapos nilirun ko ulit, ayun, nag-generate na yung line chart. At ang maganda dito, interactive at dynamic yung plots. So, pwede nyong lagyan ito mamaya ng tick marks, ng labels, pwede nyong galawin, pwede kayo mag-explore, di ba? Sobrang seamless ng application and pabilis relatively because at the back end of Streamlit, may intelligent system sila na ginagamit to cache the data na hindi na niya lagi nilo-load from the get-go. Interesting application din na ginamit ko sa Streamlit when I joined the competition ay mapping. So, kunyari gusto kong kumuha ng mapa, random points sa America, for example. So, magpa-paste lang ako dito ng random na latitude at longitude ng lugar, tapos tatawagin ko yung st.map. So, kapag ginawa ko yan, sinave ko ito, save natin siya, tapos i-render ko ulit, nakita nyo na, sakto, nag-generate siya ng mapa sa San Francisco na may random points na dinefine ko dito sa piece of code na ito, di ba? So, salit na dati, ang gagawin mo, ang dami pang i-import na libraries para makaga-leaflet or kung ano man na Mapbox or OpenStreetMaps. Dito automatic st.map lang yung gagamitin mo, naka-integrate na yung mga mapa. So, sobrang, talaga sky's the limit. Ang ginagawa din dito, para lang matutunan niyo yung mga syntax na ginagamit ko na hindi ko madadaanan ngayon, punta lagi kayo sa documentation. Lagi dito, documentation. Kasi andito lahat ng mga kailangan yung malaman tungkol dun sa Streamlit, yung mga arguments na pinagtatype ko, andito na lahat. And maliwanag naman yung explanation nila. So, type nyo lang sa Google Streamlit, tapos i-navigate nyo yung documentation, mahanap nyo siya. Okay? Sige, ano pa kaya pwede natin ma-explore? Aside from mapping, ano ba yung lagi natin hinahanap kapag nagpa-front-end development tayo, di ba? Interactivity. Gusto ko kunyari, may checkbox, may drop-down. Pwede natin gawin yan kay Streamlit. So, ngayon kay Streamlit, kung gusto natin, for example, gumawa ng checkbox. So, type ko lang itong code na to. Tapos, if st.checkbox naka-check, lalabas yung table na to. So, try natin na i-run. So, file, save, tapos i-render ko siya ulit, i-run. Ayun, may lumabas na, dito, checkbox. Sabi niya, show data frame. So, kapag click ko to, lalabas yung table. Okay? So, ganun siya kasimles. Pag tinanggal ko, adi wala na siya ulit. Pag click ko ulit, lalabas ulit yung data frame. Okay? Ano pa, yung pwede nating magawa? Meron na tayong checkbox. Select box naman. Paano kapag select box? Sige. Pag select box naman, ganun lang din yung syntax. Magde-define lang din tayo ng ng data. For example, lalagay ko lang dito st.selectbox. Tapos titingnan natin paano siya na-render. So, save. Tapos, i-run natin. Pag tiningnan natin dito, which number do you like best? So, pag click natin yon, ayun, marami kang options na pwedeng ilagay. Depende dun sa dinefine mo na data, di ba? Sobrang bilis. As in, parang less than 30 minutes, makakagawa ka ng prototype mo. Magagets, okay, ganito yung mga kailangan ko na components based from the prototypes that I'm doing. Okay? So, maliban sa kasi ang pangit naman ng website kapag ganito lang, di ba? Hindi ko rin siya gagamitin. Kapag wala man lang mga menu bar, customization, and so on, meron yan sa Streamlit. So, pag tinype natin yung argument, for example, na sidebar, which is common dun sa mga website natin ngayon, may mga sidebar siya, di ba? So, type nyo lang, st.sidebar, tapos dun ko ilalagay yung select box. So, kapag sinave ko ito, I'll save this one here, and then rerun it again. Ayun nalabas na yung sidebar, tapos andun na yung tinype ko kanina. So, pwede nyo gawin na ito yung selector ninyo, and kung ano pa man, di ba? Sobrang handy nung tool natin. What else can we explore? For example, gusto kong mag-show ng progress ng isang operation. Kasi normally, hindi na important sa mga nagde-develop ng front-end na kapag may gumagamit na user dun sa application nila, alam nila kapag naglo-load. So, pwede tayong gumawa ng ganun, parang loading animation, pwede yung mga animation din dito. So, kunyari, import lang ako ng dagdag na library. So, ano bang dagdag na library pwede natin gamitin? Time. Import time ni Python para may timer tayo. Tapos, dagdag lang ako dito ng konting code para paano gumagana yung animation kay Streamlit. So, ito siya. st.progress yung ginagamit. Kunyari gusto natin gumawa ng progress bar. So, kapag sinave ko ito, tapos nirun ko siya, so, ayan. So, habang may progress bar, sumusulat dito yung numbers. So, kunyari, gusto mo ng gaano katagal mag-load yung interface mo and so on, hanggang matapos siya na mag-load. So, pwede siyang maging progress bar. Kayang-kaya niya mag-generate. And sa huli, yung kailangan ko ditong i-point out, napakadaling i-share nitong Streamlit, no? So, kung marunong kayo ng GitHub, ang gagawin nyo lang, pupunta kayo ng GitHub ninyo. So, punta kayo ng GitHub, tapos igagawa lang kayo ng repository, ilalagay nyo yung Python file nyo doon. Gagawa kayo ng Python file nyo doon, tapos ilalagay nyo dun sa website ni Streamlit, or kung familiar kayo sa Heroku, kung familiar kayo sa AWS or Google Cloud Platform or any hosting website, similar siya kapag gumawa kayo ng static website, diba? Parang hanapan nyo lang kung saan nyo siya gustong i-deploy. Sige, dadaanan din natin siya later. Yung, sige, tapos na tayo sa Streamlit para madaanan ko din yung ibang tools pa na binabanggit ko kanina. So, ito yung Streamlit na binabanggit ko sa inyo kanina. Yung next natin na i-discuss ay mabilis na lang yung Plotly or Dash. So, kung nalilimit pa rin kayo sa, nakashare ba ng, hindi pala siya na-share masyado. So, kung nalilimit naman kayo sa sige, tatanggalin ko muna ito. Tapos, tatanggalin ko ito. Kung nalilimit kayo sa Frances, question. Nasi-share ba ng maayos yung plot? Yung slides ko? Okay, sige. Assume ko na hindi siya na...
Hindi kita lahat.
Hindi kita lahat, no? Sige. So, magre-reshare na lang tayo. Reshare ko ulit yung slides. Share screen, tapos share ko lang saglit yung slides ko. So, yung next ko na babanggitin sa inyo ay yung tungkol sa Plotly at saka Dash naman. So, load lang natin saglit. So, Plotly and Dash, dadaanan natin ng konti yung rShiny, tapos dadaanan natin yung Heroku para lang may idea kayo kung paano siya dinedeploy. Then, yung huli kong babanggitin ay yung GitHub pages. Okay, para may flow tayo. So, yung Dash Plotly, kapag hindi na enough yung kung di na kayo kontento kay Streamlit, parang nalilimit pa rin kayo, maski low code na siya, mag-share lang ako ng bagong screen. Tapos, gagawa ako ng bagong file. Gagawa tayo ng bagong file. Magbubukas tayo ng bagong file dito. File, new file. Tapos, ang gagawin natin ay yung Plotly or Dash. So, kung narinig nyo na yung Django, kung narinig nyo na yung Flask na popular na ginagamit na web development tool sa Python, similar yung gagawin natin. Similar yung gagawin natin na application. So, medyo kailangan na ng programming ng konti dito, pero again, hindi siya ganun kabigat pa rin as compared to magko-code ka talaga from scratch. So, kunyari yung Dash, gawin natin yung Dash. Gawa ko ng bagong Python file, ganun ulit. I-import ko yung mga libraries na kailangan. So, import natin yung mga libraries na kailangan natin. Kapag na-input na natin yung mga libraries natin, save ko lang siya. Sabihin natin, save, pangalanan natin ng Plotly demo. Plotly _demo. .python file pa rin kasi Python pa rin yung ginagamit natin. Save. Tapos, kunyari, gusto kong gumawa ng counter ulit, parang progress bar, or kahit counter na lang yung term natin na gamitin. So, para makagawa tayo ng counter, ganun lang din. Medyo mas mahaba lang siya, pero ang maganda dito kay Dash ay very customizable. As in, very close to high level, ano na siya, high high coding na systems. Pero ganun pa rin, sobrang simple nung syntax. Hindi pa rin tayo ganun ka man nosebleed. So magta-type lang ako dito ng mga piece of code na pwede natin gamitin to render a live counter, for example. So type ko lang yung mga piece of code dito. Yung mga code na ginagamit ko dito, ilalagay ko sa GitHub account ko. So kung gusto nyong ma-notify dun sa code na ginagawa ko ngayon, follow nyo ko sa GitHub. Doon naman nakalagay lahat ng mga code na ginagamit natin for this session. So na-save ko na yung file, tapos ang gagawin ko lang, i-run ko siya kay Python. So i-close na natin si Streamlit. So close natin si Streamlit, i-clear ko lang yung terminal ko, tapos i-run natin itong plotly_demo. So para mag-run ng Dash, hindi naman Streamlit yung gamit natin, Python lang. So Python plotly_demo.py. Kung medyo advanced yung topic natin ngayon, don't worry, makinig lang kayo. Ganun talaga sa simula, may learning curve. At least na-familiarize nyo lang yung systems, yung tools, and kung paano siya ginagamit. So kapag nirun natin itong plotly_demo.py na file, okay. So address already in use. So may error ako ng konti. So kailangan ko lang gumawa or mag-open ng bagong shell kasi ginagamit na daw yung address na yon. Tapos ita-type ko lang ulit yung nilagay ko, then run. Okay, mali yung directory ko. Ayan. So pag nirun natin siya, may error ako na nakuha. Address already in use. So kailangan kong sarado yung mga terminal ko na nakabukas. Sige, isasarado ko lang yung mga nirun ko kasi to kanina. So I had some problems but you should resolve it. So ingatin kayo kapag marami kayo masyadong terminal na nakabukas. And there you go. So bukas na siya. Nasa ano daw siya? 127.0.0.1 tapos 8050 yung port. So kapag kinapi ko to, tapos binuksan ko siya, yung local address na yun. Ayun. So kung makikita nyo, this app has updated itself for 3 times. So hindi siya kasing ganda na agad off the bat ng Streamlit, yung Dash, pero highly customizable. Ito, kung makita yung code natin, sobrang ikli pa rin siya. And kung marunong kayo ng konti ng Python, mas suitable sa inyo ito kasi highly customizable na siya. So kunyari naman, gusto kong gumawa ng system, for example, na nag-determine ng movement ng stock market o yung balitang-balita ngayon, blockchain, cryptocurrency, mga bitcoins, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng system na nagtatrack niyan for you kung gusto nyo may personal tracker kayo. Hindi kayo umaasa kay eToro, for example. So, gawa ko ng sample, may lang naman tong code na to. Yan lang siya, parang gumagamit lang ako ng scatter plot. So parang ano lang siya, line plot lang siya. Tapos tinitingnan lang yung movement ng market across time. So kapag pinaste ko ito, tapos ni-refresh ko tong system, ayan, naglo-load pa siya. So hintayin natin mag-load. Okay, medyo mabagal yung computer ko. So, kailangan ko lang siyang i-run ulit para mag-render properly. Bukas na lang tayo ng bagong shell para ma-instantiate natin siya ulit. Tapos kapag ni-run ko ito, cp, dun ulit sa kung nasa nakalagay yung file. And then, kapag tinype ko siya ulit, this one should render properly. So, key error, I don't care. There you go. So kung makita nyo, ito na yan, if you want to observe stock market price across time, live nyo siya nakikita, yung trend. So pwedeng-pwede siyang gawin with just a few lines of code and it's highly customizable. So that's the beauty of using Dash and Plotly. Yung next ko na ipapakita sa inyo ay yung RShiny. So kung di naman kayo familiar sa Python, kung mas gusto nyo ng programming language na mas malapit sa statistics, for example, tapos naka-focus sa plotting, suggestion ko rin yung programming language na R. So, sobrang daming libraries, mostly sa academe, at ginagamit nila, pati rin sa industry sa data science. No, yung Shiny, very similar kay Streamlit or kay Dash even, medyo parehas lang yan. Dito nyo makikita yung syntax kung paano siya gamitin. Again, yung ginagamit dito na language ay R programming language, hindi sa Python. So, kung gusto nyong matuto ng Python, ay ng R, marami naman resources dyan sa Udemy, sa Coursera, even sa internet. Ang maganda dito, ganun din. Depende lang talaga sa comfort niya kung anong tools yung gagamitin ninyo. So marami na ditong available na template na pwede kayong gamitin along the way, and freely accessible naman yung mga template dito. Di ba kamukha lang din siya ng Streamlit na binabanggit ko kanina. So ngayon, anong mga use cases dito? Kunyari sa company ninyo, wala kayong pambayad sa Power BI, sa Tableau, masyadong mahal. Diba? Parang di mo naman kailangan mag-exhaust ng resources pa to make a dashboard. So using these kinds of tools, pwede kayong makagamit, pwede kayong makatipid, no? Ayos yung mga visualizations nila. So kunyari, tingnan natin yung sample ng app ng Plotly. Makita nyo kung ano yung itsura niya. Sige, tingnan natin. Medyo may konting kabagalan yung internet natin sa Pilipinas. Pero sana bumilis din soon kasi internet is now classified by UN as a basic human right. Lalo na sa context ng pandemic, halos lahat tayo naka-work from home or dependent na sa sa internet connection. O yan, naglo-load talaga yung internet ko. So, ganun din. The best way for you to learn Shiny is to try out examples, do projects, and read on the documentation. Again, there are many resources that you can find on the internet to study this one. So I just recommend that make projects on it, explore different use cases that you can try out. Sige, while it is still loading, yung next ko na gustong sabihin sa inyo yung GitHub. So kung may GitHub na kayo, pag tinag nyo sa Google yung GitHub pages, yan. So yung mga gustong gumawa ng portfolio dyan, sobrang laking tulong sa akin ng GitHub pages kasi anong gumawa ko ng GitHub page ko, ang daming employers yung nakapansin na, uy, masipag to mag-code, masipag mag-post ng projects online, so pwede kaya namin siyang i-hire for a project or i-consider sa ganitong position. So ang maganda dito, kung marunong na kayo ng GitHub, naka-integrate na lahat sa sa repository niyo yung mga pwede niyong gawin sa kanya. And marami ring templates that you can explore. Kunya GitHub pages templates, pag sinerge nyo pa lang yan, sobrang dami nyo ma-explore na themes na pwede nyo explore. Ang language na kailangan nyo lang dito na aralin ay Markdown. So similar to HTML. Prettier lang din siya, similar to Wix, for example, or Squarespace. But again, you have all the tools to customize it. Okay, na walang watermark, except for GitHub, which is gusto nyo namang fineflex yung GitHub kung nasa programming kayo na world, diba? So, I actually made my website, my personal website using GitHub. So if you go to alberthumol.github.io, it's the website that I have. I post here the projects that I do, for some of the materials that I use in class. For example, when I teach my students web scraping and data mining, I put here the tutorials on how to do it. Even some of the technologies that I study, I put it here. Animating meetup, machine learning, dito din, naglalagay ako dito ng mga articles on that. So for example, tong article ko kung paano gumawa ng word cloud mula dun sa sa Facebook post niyo. So dito rin siya. Ano yung lagi mong pinagsasabi? Kunyari yung Facebook wall ko, puro data yung pinag-usapan ko, puro code, puro make. Kasi nag-robotics ako ng contest, so maker. Tungkol sa open source, free, coronavirus, kasi last year ko to in-scrape o kinuha yung data mula dun sa Facebook page ko. And yeah, sobrang useful nitong GitHub pages kasi ang dami mong possibilities na ma-explore in terms of customizing it using just HTML, using just Markdown language. No? Naka-template na siya, hanapin nyo lang yung template. Then kapag tiningnan natin yung code, for example, niya sa GitHub, dito lang naka-host yan kay GitHub. Automatic na siya. Siya yung mag-host, siya yung mag-render. Okay? Okay, since it's already 6:45, I think I need to cut it here. Let me just pull out my final slides. Then, so we went over GitHub as well. In summary, yung low code, again, kagaya ng diniscuss natin kanina, kapag gusto nyo lang mag-prototype, gusto nyo i-test agad yung mga ideas ninyo kung nag-work pa or tama ba yung mga solutions, it works well. Yung mga tools na diniscuss natin kanina ay yung Streamlit na ginagamit ay Python. Pinakita ko yung mga syntax kanina na ginagamit natin. We also discussed a little bit about Bash and Plotly. So kung gusto niyo yung Dash and Plotly, mas customizable siya kay Streamlit. Higher level na programming yung kailangan niyo sa kanya. Pero then again, it's not as high level as JavaScript, for example, Node, React, or other languages na mas mabigat na aralin, mas mataas yung learning curve. And then we also discuss other tools that you can consider if you want to build your projects. So for data science projects, R, Shiny can be a good option for you guys. Machine learning project, also R Shiny and Streamlit. And lastly, if you want to make a blog, personal blog, or post some of the projects that you do as an archive together with well integration to the existing code that you already have, I think GitHub Pages is a good option. That's it. I hope you learned something from me. Again, this is just a 1 hour of session together, but I hope to continue engaging with you guys, and I hope you get to be inspired to learn more about front-end development, about programming in general, and how you can use these skills, no? Hindi lang for business, maybe even for your personal development, for your own careers, and after that, maybe help other people along the way using the technology that you will build. Again, thank you so much, guys, for having me. I think we can have some time for question and answer. So if you have a question, feel free to type it down in the chat. I am able to read it naman, so I can look at your questions.
Okay, Bash. So let's check out some comments from our Slido link first.
Okay, no problem.
That was very entertaining, Bash. So as a non-dev, parang napakadaling intindihin. Very easy to listen to. So let me just pull up the Slido. There we go. So feel free to select any questions you'd want to answer.
Sir, what if Laravel? Laravel is also good. But again, hindi ko siya diniscuss ngayon kasi hindi ako ganun ka-familiar. I'm not coming from a tech background, but if you're comfortable with Laravel, go for it. Next question, how can you start building your portfolio if you are opting to shift career into programming or web development? Building your portfolio, I think the best way, paano ba ako nag-start? Kasi di rin naman ako from IT background, I'm from physics eh. So ang ginawa ko lang, parang nag-isip ako ng mga hobby ko na interested ako. Tapos gawan ko kaya ng website. So ganun ko nasimulan yung una kong website eh. Parang nagtatarot card reading ako. So gumawa ako ng game na dineploy ko online na automatic na nagre-read ng tarot cards for you. So parang ganun ako na-inspire. So maybe you can start somewhere na interested kang gawin at ilagay yung ideas mo online. I would not suggest looking at projects na laging ginagawa ng ibang tao kasi baka it's common na parang baka mas ma-inspire ka na continue investing more time and effort dun sa project kapag mas interest mo yung ginagawa mo. But then again, if you're starting, again, there are many resources online that you can look at to kickstart whatever project you want to build. Ano po yung back-end and front-end? So yung paano ba gumagana yung internet, yung mga websites, di ba? In general, may tinatawag tayong front-end, na yung mga front-end, kaya nga siya front, di ba? Siya yung nakikita natin sa interface ng website. So kapag nag-Google ka, yung mga search box, mga button na nakikita mo, front-end lahat yan. Yung back-end, siya yung nagpa-process ng lahat ng input mo sa front-end. So yan yung di natin nakikita. So siya yung gumagawa ng operation, siya yung naggagawa ng mga calculations, siya yung nagdidirect sa ganito. Kapag click mo to, ano mangyayari? Si back-end yung nagpa-process, tapos kapag may nangyari, babalik niya sa front-end para ma-render yun. Pero lagyan natin ng isa pang level, na parang paano ba gumagana talaga yung internet? Hindi gano'n ka-simple, baka sabihin niya, simple lang pala internet. May front-end tayo, may back-end, tapos minsan meron din tayong database, Kasi hindi naman pwedeng wala tayong pinag-storan ng information, di ba, na nako-collect sa mga website. So, dapat may database ka, tapos meron ka din dapat API. So, API natin, siya na may middleman between the user and the database or kung ano mga research yung meron ka para nakapag-query tayo ng maayos. So, I hope nasagot yung answer. Back-end, siya yung nagpa-process ng information mula dun sa front-end. Ano po yung ma-recommend nyo sa mga newbie na book na pwedeng bilhin para matuto sa programming language? Good question. I have lots of books sa programming, but I am a fan of this series by No Starch Press. So yung mga books nila yung lagi kong ginagamit. Sobrang ang dali. May mga code na dyan na nakalagay. You can buy this a fully book, but most of the code na ginagawa ng mga authors na ito nasa GitHub. So hindi mo naman kailangan bumili ng physical book. Ako lang kasi, since trabaho ko, day job ko, programming, so lagi ako nasa monitor. So minsan gusto ko na lang nababasa ako para iwas ng blue light or para malabo na nga yung mata ko, so kailangan ko siyang tulungan by reading actual books. So, ang dami kong natututunan sa mga ganitong books. I highly recommend read from books. Ang problem lang dito kasi, syempre yung technology, di ba? Ang bilis niya na magbago, so mabilis ma-update. Pero maganda dito yung magandang tayo ng books ay core concepts yung matututunan mo, hindi lang yung tools. Ang lagi ko nga sinasabi, yung tools dapat secondary lang. Kunyari si Python, hindi mo naman siya aralin dahil gusto mo lang mag-Python eh. Parang may problem ka na naisip na pwedeng masolusyonan ni Python, kaya mo siya aralin. So kunyari, NLP, wala naman talaga akong background before ng artificial intelligence. So I get it from reading and trying projects. So I do a lot of projects now with NLP. So I help companies understand customer data from reviews and so on. So data mining, saan ako natuto ng data mining? It's all in a book. So hindi siya magic na bigla na lang, uy, natuto na lang to na mag-code bigla. No, it's a process, no? Kaya kailangan natin ng grit, ng sipag talaga. But yung isa pa sa malaking natutunan ko while studying, don't do it alone. More than 1 year na tayo na nasa pandemic, lagi tayo nakakulong, isolated tayo masyado. I realized that people learn best by doing things together. So find a study buddy, do a project together para din ma-push ka. Kasi minsan ako, kapag may project, ay tinatamad na ako, ayoko nang gawin kasi mag-isa lang ako. Walang nagpupush akin. Pero kapag may study buddy ka na, uy, ginagawa na niya. So kung medyo competitive ka ng konti, natapos na niya. So ako din kailangan ko siyang gawin. So the best way for me to learn is to share the things that I have. Kunya may book ako na binili, mag-invite ako, friends, may book ako na sabay-sabay nating basahin, so sabay-sabay tayo mag-code. Tapos, ang gagawin namin, lalagay namin sa mga portfolio namin na in turn, makakatulong sa sa career namin. Kasi kapag tingin ng future employer na, uy, ang daming projects na ginagawa nito. So, it's really helpful. Next na, natin nakikita dito na question ay, what low-code projects do you recommend for beginners? Again, it depends on your interest. No? Ayoko talaga na nagpo-force ng tao na gumawa ng project na ayaw nilang gawin. So, ang concept na sinasabi ko, human-centered design. No? So, depende talaga kung anong gusto mong ma-develop. Kunyari, passionate ka about sports, din gawa ka ng project about sports. Stock market, gawa ka ng project about stock market. Start from something that you are interested with para you are always inspired to do and finish that project. And isa pa dun sa natutunan ko sa tech industry ng Pilipinas, very fortunate tayo because we have communities here, like what Philta is developing, di ba? Free yung mga sessions natin dito ngayon. So, ang laking tulong nun sa communities, no? Ako din, di talaga ako nag-start from somewhere. I'm nothing without my mentors, without my friends, without the community. So, I learned a lot from networking. Ayun nga yung problem sa pandemic, hindi tayo maka-network, di ba? Parang yung mga gusto ko sanang ma-reach out na tao, parang nakakahiya minsan na mag-reach out na lang sa kanila online. Pero ganun yung ginawa ko na una. I was looking for inspiration lagi. When I was starting after graduating college, I have no direction at all kung anong gusto kong gawin. Kasi physics, baka mag-a-academe na lang siya. So, ang ginawa ko, kinapalan ko yung mukha ko as in, nag-chat ako sa LinkedIn ng mga idol ko ng mga data scientists. Kunya, si Dr. Reyna Reyes, Dr. Erica Legar, mga sikat na data scientists sa Pilipinas. As in, chinat ko sila before pandemic. Blah, 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 can we meet for a coffee? Parang, I just want to ask you about the industry, how I can learn, how I can help, and so on. So, find common interest and find a mentor. Like, that's what I learned. Finding a good mentor really helps a lot in terms of learning. Kasi sometimes, may mga tin ako na hindi ko na ma-solve yung mga problems. So, sino pa ma-reach out mo, di ba, kapag wala ka ng malapitan yung mga network mo, yung mga mentors mo na I think we're very fortunate in the Philippines na ang daming willing na tumulong.
Yes, tama naman, Bash. So networking is very helpful. Talagang you learn a lot from people you reach out to. And again, thank you for answering those questions. Thank you for your time and sharing your knowledge with us. To our viewers, follow and support Bash by checking out his personal blog, albertumol.github.io, his LinkedIn page, linkedin.com/in/albertumol, and his GitHub profile, github.com/albertumol. So Bash, do you have anything else to say to our viewers tonight?
Yeah, we need more people in the tech sphere. We need more talents, and Filipinos are really talented. No, we win online competition na international, di ba? Parang may balita lang last week na one student from Pampanga nanalo internationally ng computing, ng programming Olympiad, di ba? So parang there's a lot of talent in the Philippines, and I think one of my goal, and even the goal of Philta, I think, is to democratize the knowledge of technology. Kasi a lot of us can really learn it. Kaya nga yung language din na ginagamit ko para hindi siya masyadong intimidating, kasi ang goal ko din is to democratize data skills because it will definitely help us a lot. Again, kapag natuto tayo as a society to understand data, to understand information, it will translate to everything we do. Kapag natuto tayo kunyari ng data science, data literacy, we can discern fake news. We can know who to vote in the elections because we are more data-driven and evidence-based. So it can transform our society a lot if we are more informed and evidence-based through technology and development. So that's it from me, guys. Nako, enjoy your weekend.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Agree ako doon, Bash. So reminding everyone that Philta is always hiring, and we're not only hiring developers, but also graphic designers, digital marketers, admin, and back office roles. We have a referral program where you can earn up to 10,000 pesos. Just send your referrals to careers@philtaglobal.com. And check out our Facebook group, Filipino Front-End Developers. Talk to us and ask us anything. You are very welcome to join our community. Also, visit our Philta Careers page on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/showcase/philta-careers. And stay up to date to our events and open roles by following us on our social media channels. That's at Philta.outsourcing on Instagram and TikTok, and linkedin.com/company/Philta. And if you missed our live, we will be uploading our recorded session on our YouTube channel, Philta. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. So Bash, I think we had a pretty successful event tonight. We had over 170 live viewers. And if you want more free events like this, don't forget to follow us on Facebook. And check out the comments for the link to our evaluation form. It'll only be open until 8 p.m. So fill it out and expect your e-certificate to be sent to you next week. And remember, only those who answered correctly will receive the e-certificate. And once you receive your certificates, we encourage you to post your certificates on Facebook and tag at Philta, or on LinkedIn and tag at Philta Careers. So with the hashtags, #PhiltaFan and #StartWithPhilta. Okay, again, Bash, thank you so much for joining us tonight. I hope you had a great time. And we hope that we can have you again soon. Yeah, so to our viewers, we'll see you again soon for our next FFED live series. Happy Friday and stay safe. Enjoy your weekend.